Okay, so hello guys. So today we're going to be solving some absolute value equations. You may have been able to graph absolute value equations and maybe find the output there and try to see what x's fit in with that output. But today we're going to be actually doing this method algebraically. So you could also graph the graph of for this whole part right here, 4 times the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 8. You could graph that, but today we're going to solve this equation algebraically. So the first thing what we want to do is we want to subtract 8 from both sides. Okay. So now we're left with 4 times the absolute value of x minus 2 equals 8. Now this is basically basic algebra here until we get to the absolute value bars. Divided by 4, divided by 4. Absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to 2. Now, what do we do here? Well, we have to split this equation up into two situations because whatever inside this absolute value bar either has to be negative 2 or 2 because the absolute value of either 2 or negative 2 will equal 2. So then we would solve for x. X minus 2 is equal to negative 2. And we have to set up an equation x minus 2 equals 2. Then we can add on 2 on both sides. X is equal to 0. Add 2. And we get x is equal to 4. So our solutions are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. We could also verify this because 4 minus 2, we could try 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. The absolute value of 2 is 2. And 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 plus 8 is 16. When we input 0, 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2 times 4, which is 8 plus 8 and 16. So our two solutions are x equals 0, and x equals 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned how to solve absolute value equations. Thank you.